Welcome guys, so today I am with Nokia Lite earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. So at the first, on your iPhone you have to go for the settings, select Bluetooth from the settings list and then tap on this Bluetooth switcher to turn it on. The next step, you have to open the case with your earbuds, just remove them and take a look on the available devices list. As you can see, they will appear after a few seconds, so just tap on them once and we are connected. But if you have any problems, any connection problem that your iPhone cannot find them, so you can turn them off by clicking and holding these touch control panels. So click and hold. You can take a look inside these small indicators. They will blink on the red, and the next step you have to click and hold both earbuds on this place, and the right will blinks on the blue and the red, and it means that they are in the pairing mode and you will be able to pair them and find on the available devices list. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.